Well, guys, I want to do a little video, or not a video, a how-to segment on. Let me turn this music down in the background here. I'm in my gator, and I'm going to show you guys how to create a new YouTube channel. Actually, I want to go back to Northeast Ohio Farmer channel, and I want to show you from that one how how to create a new channel for you guys that want to make a YouTube channel of your own and be able to comment on your favorite channels and stuff like that, like Northeast Ohio Farmer. It is absolutely free to. All you have to do is just have a Google account or Google, Gmail, Yahoo, that kind of thing. Let's see. Let's go. Don't mind these. Let's go here. That one. There. Let's go to this one. Or actually, no. There, no channel. Okay. YouTube Premium Family. No, that's just an ad that I don't want. Okay. Your channel. And then we can give it a name like by tapping create channel, you agree to YouTube's terms and services. Changes you make here may show up across Google services, which content. And then you want to go down here, which it says create channel. You want to tap that. Last name, let's just type in there. And then there is your channel. And create a video, which we don't want to do. And that's just basically how it is. You can go type in like Northeast Ohio Farmer. There I is. Okay. Boom! I just got another subscriber. And 53 views out of 8 hours. Now see, there's the problem that I'm having on my channel is video like that only gets 53 views, where a video out of like raking away gets 111 views out of a day. I guess if I kind of stopped a minute and read what people enjoyed, like my they don't like leaf vacuums. Ask who, that got people's attention. I finally got help, 138 views, night shift, this or that. Start the corn harvest, almost 300 views in a week. People like that video. John Deere 700 ripping it up, 177 views, 104 views. Just all depends what people want and like. That suits their self. Oh, and don't forget to tap the little red bell if you do subscribe. It is easy to make a YouTube channel just like that. So, yeah. So, there you go. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy.